Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on the subject Linguistics. Today's topic is substance and form. Before we learn what is substance and form, let us see what is linguistics. Linguistics is basically the study of science of a language, that is, how a language works. According to the dictionary of Merriam-Webster's, it is defined as the study of human speech that includes units, nature, structure, and modification of language. That is to say, that in linguistics, we study what are the components of the language, what is the nature of the language, what are the structures formed, and how a language evolves or how it gets modified with the course of time. As linguistics being the scientific study of language, it uses various components or substance and organizes these components or substance into some form to get a definite shape. Linguistically, we study these things in two planes, substance and form. We know language is basically used in two forms, spoken form and written form. Spoken form is way back too older than the written one. Written form of language is the second stage of development of human speech. The terms substance and form can be analyzed based on these two aspects of language. When we make a new thing, we use some raw materials and turn it into a finished product. The raw material is the substance and the finished product is the form. For example, take food items such as cake. Cake is made with the ingredients of flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, eggs, butter, etc. These ingredients can be said to be the substance of the cake, and cake formed is called the form. Take another example of fabric. We wear clothes and use various fabrics, various kinds of fabrics. Fabric which is used to stitch a dress or any other piece is the substance, and the dress or the suit is the form. Take one more example of carpentry. When a carpenter tries to make a table or chair, he is using the substance of wood to make the furniture. The furniture can be called a form of the substance wood. Linguistically, there are these two components, substance and form. Substance is the term applied for the sounds and symbols like letters used in the spoken and written form of language respectively. In English language, there are 44 sounds and 26 letters. These sounds or the letters bear no value on their own. They carry importance when used in proper order or sequence. Let us see what is the substance used in the spoken language and in written language. Sounds, various sounds are the substance used in spoken or oral form of language. Alphabet letters like A, B, C, D to Z are the components or the substance of the written form of language. Now let us see what is the form. when the sounds of human speech are uttered in a proper sequence and accent with pause and punctuation, it gives a meaningful information. Such basics, when applied, that is, arranging the sounds in proper way with proper pronunciation, then it forms the form in the spoken form of a language. In other words, when a set of sound is used in a systematic way, it is called the form of a language. Similarly, when the letters or alphabet are arranged into proper order of words and further into sentence to make a meaningful information, it is called form in the written form of a language. In other words, using the tools of grammar and syntax, it is called form in the written form of language. What are the types of substance and form? As we have discussed that language is broadly used in two forms, oral form and written form. The substance is categorized accordingly. When the substance is used in the oral form of language, it is called phonic substance or oral substance. And when the substance is used in the written form of a language, it is called graphic substance or visual substance. So, phonic substance is used for sounds of human speech. Graphic substance is used for the symbols of alphabets used for the writing. With this, we end today's lecture. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.